Big Bird can share. One day, I woke up very early. I rubbed my eyes, stretched, and looked out of my nest. There, on my mailbox, were a brand new pail and shovel. The pail was bright blue, and it had a big red bow around it. The shovel was red. I looked at the tag tied on the handle. It said, "Dear Big Bird, I think you'll know what to do with this. Love, Granny Bird." Gee, I wonder what Granny Bird means, I thought. I walked down Sesame Street, hugging my new pail and shovel to my feathers. I never had a pail and shovel before. "Hey, Turkey," called Oscar the Grouch from his can. "What are you going to do with that pail and shovel?" "Oh, hi, Oscar," I said. "Well, Slimy and I could use them to dig for worms," Oscar said. "How about it? Hee hee." But I didn't want to share my new pail and shovel with Oscar and Slimy, and I really wasn't sure I wanted any worms in it. "Gee, Oscar, not now. Sorry," and I walked away fast. I almost bumped into Ernie and Bert. "Hello, Big Bird," said Bert. "Look at all the bottle caps we found for my collection." "Those sure are nice bottle caps," I said. "And that sure is a nice pail and shovel," said Ernie. "Could we borrow your pail to carry the rest of the bottle caps?" Well, Figgy Fizz bottle caps were a lot better than worms, but I still wasn't so sure about it. What if the bottle caps scratched my pail so it wasn't pretty anymore? What if Ernie and Bert forgot to give my shovel back? I hesitated. I didn't want to share my new pail and shovel with Ernie and Bert. "Never mind," said Bert. "I'll bet you're going to make a sand castle in the sandbox. We'll come see it later."